putting North Dakota first.
When one family's furnace stopped working last week, a local business stepped up to help. Bismarck Heating and Air installed a free furnace to Sadie L. and her fiance after Sadie's mom, Stephanie, made a Facebook post asking for help. The business does a few free installations around the holidays to help those in need and to carry on the legacy of the company's founder, who started the tradition but recently passed from COVID-19. Though they still had labor costs to pay for, Stephanie says people from the community ended up calling in to cover those costs.
After that happened, people started replying, oh, we're going to cover labor costs. We're going to do, I'm like, you guys, goosebumps, like seriously, you have no idea what this means to us, you know? There was no money for Christmas. There was nothing. I mean, all of this has really helped this group family unit realize that it takes a village to raise your kids.
So cool. So if you'd like to contribute to those labor costs, the contact for Bismarck Heating and Air is linked on our website, kxnet.com. Just click on this story.